Is your website showing a 503 service unavailable error? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you powerful fixes that work instantly in 2026. Stay till the end, because one simple trick can fix this in seconds. The 503 error means the server is temporarily unable to handle your request. This is not your fault, it's a server-side problem. It usually happens when the server is overloaded. The site is under maintenance, or resources are exhausted. Let's quickly understand the main reasons. High traffic spike, too many users at once, server downtime or maintenance, plugin or theme conflicts, especially in WordPress, database connection failure, third-party services not responding. These are the top reasons behind most 503 errors. Before fixing, you need to identify the problem. Check server logs for errors. Monitor CPU and RAM usage. Use uptime monitoring tools. Test your website on different devices. This helps you find the exact cause quickly. Now, let's fix it step by step. Server-side fixes for website owners. Restart your server. Increase server resources, RAM and CPU. Enable caching to reduce load. Use a CDN like Cloudflare. Disable faulty plugins or scripts. Client-side fixes for users. Refresh the page after a few seconds. Clear browser cache and cookies. Try a different browser. Disable VPN or extensions. These simple steps solve most cases instantly. To avoid this error in the future, use load balancing. Optimize your website speed. Monitor traffic regularly. Schedule maintenance properly. Keep your server updated. Prevention is always better than fixing. If the error still continues, contact your hosting provider immediately. They can check server-level issues and fix them faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more powerful tech fixes. And for the complete step-by-step guide, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. See you in the next video. Quick tip: most 503 errors are caused by server overload. Upgrading hosting can fix it permanently.